Dear students, today we are going to see 4th standard maths term 2 unit 6 fractions. In this lesson now we are going to learn about numerator and denominator. To identify the notation of fractions. See this introduction. Ramu and Agil playing with their friends Rangan and Tangam. Ramu's mother had an apple, so she called Ramu and Agil. She made it into two halves and gave it to them. She totally forgot Rangan and Tangam. So she recollected the two pieces of apple from them. Then she made it to four equal parts and give it to them. See, here one apple means one whole. One whole means one apple. Ramu's mother have one apple. She cut it into two halves. See, one give it to Ramu and another one is Agil. See, she gave one piece to Ramu. 1 by the total number of apples is parts is 2. So one half he give it to Ramu. Another half he give it to Agil. That is 1 by 2. Another half she give to Agil. See, if a whole is divided into two parts, then its denominator is 2. See, the whole is divided into two parts. So, this is a denominator. 1 by 2 means 2 is the denominator, 1 is a numerator. 2 is the denominator, 1 is a numerator. A whole is divided into two equal parts. The divided part is denominator. Here half, which means 2 is denominator and 1 is numerator. 1 by 2, 2 is the denominator and 1 is numerator. See, when Ramu collected the two equal parts of an apple from her sons and sliced it to once again into four equal parts. See, she gave it to Ramu and Agil. She totally forgot to Rangan and Tangam. So again she recollected the apple. She sliced again two. See, four parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, 4 equal parts of apple. See, 1 she gave it to Ramu. 1 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts. So 1 by 4. That is a quarter. Next, this piece she give it to Agil. 1 by 4. One part she give it to Agil. 4 is a total number of parts. This one she gave it to Rangan. One part divided by 4. 4 means 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts of an apple. Next, this part she gave it to Tangam. 1 by 4. See, denominator is the total number of parts that make up a whole. See, one apple she divided into 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 4 is the denominator. Numerator or represent the number equal parts of an apple. Parts of a whole. See, one part, that is a denominator. 4 is a, sorry, one part is a numerator and 4 is a denominator. The part give it to Ramu 1 by 4. 1 is numerator, 4 is denominator. If a whole is divided into 4 equal parts, then its denominator is 4. 1 by 4, 4 means denominator and 1 means numerator. See this example. There are 10 guavas in a basket which are equal sized. Here the 10 guavas make a whole. See, this basket has 10 guavas. This is a whole one. So it is the denominator 10 guavas. So 10 is the denominator. If we take 4 guavas, so in that basket I am taking 4 guavas. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 divided by 10. The total number of guavas is 10. One whole. 4 guavas I am taking. So 4 by 10. 4 is the numerator. 10 is the denominator. Now 10 means denominator and 4 means numerator. Remaining fruits in the basket 6 by 10. See, In this basket 10 guavas is there. I am taking 4. 10 minus 4, remaining 6. So remaining guavas is 6 divided by the total guavas 10. 6 by 10. Now 10 means denominator and 6 means numerator. Okay. Next, see numerator and denominator of different shapes. See the square. The square is divided into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal parts said to be denominator. The square, the denominator is 4 equal parts. In these 4 equal parts, one part is colored. So I am coloring this part. So the colored one portion is numerator. See 4 equal parts, only one parts I am, so one parts I am colored divided by 4 parts. Total number of parts is 4. So 1 by 4. 1 is numerator, 4 is denominator. See this square, see this circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 parts is there. 8 triangle parts is there. So denominator is 8. How many parts colored? 1, 2, 3. So 3 parts are 3 by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts. Total number of parts is 4. 4 is denominator. 3 we have to color. So 3 is numerator. Next 5 by 10. 10 is denominator. Total number of columns is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 columns. So 10 is denominator. 5 we have to color. 5 is numerator. 10 is denominator. Next 1 by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 triangle parts. So 4 is denominator. 1 is numerator. So here I am coloring 1. So 1 is numerator. 3 by 8. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 parts. The total number of parts is 8. So 8 is denominator. 3 parts I am coloring. So 3 is numerator. Next, use the vocabulary as half, quarter, 3/4, semi, partial and whole. See this introduction. Ravi had 2 children. He bought a pencil for Kabilan and pomegranate for Agilan. Ravi had 2 children, Kabilan and Agilan. He bought a pencil for Kabilan and pomegranate for Agilan. Agilan doesn't have pencil. And then Kabilan said, I will give you a pencil. So Kabilan, he cuts the new pencil, give it to half, give it to his brother. Agilan and another half he kept himself. See, Kabilan, he cut his new pencil into half, into 2 parts. See, 2 equal parts. Number of parts is 2. 1 he gave it to Agilan. 1 part he kept himself. See, number of parts is 2. 1, 2. 1 for Agilan, 1 for Kabilan. 1 by 2 means half. 1 by 2 means half. See, half plus half is equal to full 1. So 1 by 2 means half. Agilan was very thankful to Kabilan. So he said that he will give him 1/4 or quarter part of the pomegranate to him. 1/4 means 1 by 4. That is quarter. 1 by 4. 1/4 means 1 by 4. That is quarter. Agilan cuts the fruit into 2 halves and took into 1 half, and once again he cut into 2 equal parts as quarter. 1/4. See, Agilan cut 1 pomegranate. He cut into 2 halves. So now he have got 2 halves. 1 he kept himself. Again this half he cut into 2 pieces. See. So this 1 piece he gave it to Kabilan. Okay. So piece. See 1, this 2 piece, 1, 2, 3. 3 by 4, that is 3/4. That is he kept, Agilan kept this 3/4 and 1 by 4 quarter piece gave it to Kapilan. See this activity. Take a square shape of a paper, asked to fold into equal parts. See, take one square shape of paper and you just fold it like that. If you are folding like this, you can see one line like that. You just cut the paper into 2 equal halves. If you are cutting this paper, you will get 2 equal parts. See, this is one half and this another one. 2 equal halves you will get. Take a part from the splitted paper and once again you fold the paper as 2/4. If you are folding this half, you can see one line and you just cut the paper, you will get like that. See, this is a quarter. 1 by 4, 1/4 means quarter. This is quarter 1 by 4. This is 3 by 4, 3/4. This is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means quarter. This is 3/4. See, this is a whole and this is 2 halves. If you are cutting this paper, you will get 2 halves. This is 2 equal halves. This half, if you are cutting 2 equal parts, means you will get like that. This is 2 equal quarter. This is quarter. 2 equal quarter means 1 half. See, half and quarter to make 3/4. See, quarter and 1 half to make 3 by 4. And this one is quarter, 1 by 4. Next, see half into a whole. See, this is a whole picture. This is half. The above pictures are divided into 2 equal parts. Every parts represent half or semi. See, this is half or semi. We call it as half or semi. This is half picture or semi picture. See this exercise 6.4. Color or shade half portion of the following pictures. You have to color or shade half portion of the following pictures. See, this is a half. So you have to shade this side. See, you have to shade this side. You have to color half portion. This is a half. So you have to color this. 2 equal parts. Tick the picture that represents semi portion. Semi means half. See, this is half. This is not half. This is not half. This is not half. This is half. 2 equal parts. And this is half. This is not half. Write appropriately which represent half, quarter, 3/4. See this picture. The total number of parts is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Colored parts is 1, 2, 3. 3 by 4. 3 by 4 means 4. Next, the number of parts, number of columns 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. And one portion is colored. So 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means it's a quarter. Next 1, 2, 3, 4. The total number of columns is 4 and one part is colored. So it's a quarter. See, 1, 2. Number of colored part is 1. So this is half. See, the number of parts is 2. Colored part is 1. 1 by 2 is a half. See, the number of columns is 4. The colored part is 1. 1 by 4, quarter. See, number of columns is 2. The colored parts is 1. 1 by 2 means it's a half. Okay, that's all in this class. Thank you.